Hello, hello, hello. Hello, welcome to today's class. I will be talking about insect leg modifications. How the legs of insects undergo modifications and what are the functions of these legs. So as you can see that this is a praying mantis, this is a type of bee, this is another type of insects, and let us see, you can see that the legs are pretty different. They have got different types of function. The basic structure of leg remains the same, but what changes is the functions, and there are some certain modifications, certain changes. So let us go to this next. So let us have a look at a typical leg. So at the tip you can find that the tarsal claw is present, or the tarsi. That is followed by the tibia. You can have some spines and bristles coming out from here. This is followed by the femur. Then you have the trochanter, followed by the coaxa. And as you know, the legs of the insects are thoracic, so you have three pairs of thoracic legs. One is in the prothorax, one is in the mesothorax, third is in the metathorax. So the legs of insects can be modified into the saltatory, which is meant for jumping, or it could be raptorial for seizing, especially during mating. It can be fossorial for digging. It can be natatorial, which is for swimming. It can be cursorial, which is for running. It can be ambulatory, which is for walking. It can be clinging or scansorial. You can have sticking legs. You can have foraging, which is for pollen collection in bees especially. So let us look at the ambulatory legs. The ambulatory legs are used for walking. The structure is similar to cursorial or running legs, and examples you can find: fore and middle leg of cockroaches and bugs, order Hemiptera; leaf beetles, order Oleoptera. So the structure is more or less like this. Then you have the saltatorial hind legs. This is adapted for jumping. It is characterized by an elongated femur and tibia. Examples are grasshopper, crickets, and other Orthoptera. So you can find this is a grasshopper or cricket. Locust belongs to the order Orthoptera. The next type of leg is the raptorial forelegs, modified for grasping or catching prey, help in catching prey. Example: mantids or praying mantis, ambush bugs, giant water bugs, and water scorpion, order Hemiptera. So you can see it is for this type of structure is for grasping, especially for grasping. The next type are the fossorial forelegs. The forelegs are modified for digging. Examples are the ground-dwelling insects, mole crickets, order Orthoptera, cicada nymphs, order Hemiptera. So you can see that this is for basically this foreleg is modified. The forelegs is modified for digging. Then you have the natatorial legs, which is modified for swimming. They have long setae on the tarsi. Examples are the aquatic beetles, order Coleoptera, the bugs of the order Hemioptera. As you can see, small long setae present here. The long setae are present on these legs. You have the cursorial legs, modified for running. Long thin segments. Example in cockroaches. That's the famous leg which we can see here. This is for running very fast. You can have it for in ants also, you can find them. Then you have the scansorial or clinging leg. All three pairs of legs head house. Tibia is stout. Tarsus is single segmented. There is a single claw that usually fits against a thumb-like process. So this is the thumb-like process. It's for clinging. Then you have the sticking leg. All the three pairs of legs of housefly. Pretarsus consists of a pair of lateral adhesive pads called pulvilli and a pair of clubs. Aerolium is absent. A median spine-like structure called campodium is present. The pulvilli are covered with dense mat of tiny glandular hair called tenant hair. So these are the tenant hair. This is how the particular legs look like. Then the foragial legs for foraging, pollen collection and carrying legs in honeybee. Eye brush, hairs on tibia are useful to clean the compound eyes. Then you have the antenna cleaner. Velum is a movable clasp present at the distal end of the tibia. Then you have the pollen brush, useful to collect pollen. This is that of the honeybee, found in honeybee. So this ends my talk over here.